Yeah, so it's very easy to glide, very smooth. So as far as seating arrangement goes, I got the couch here, I got a main chair here, and another chair in the back. But I need one more thing, and that's gonna go in this corner here. So today I'm taking a look at this swivel chair that Yaheetech sent me. And this is gonna come in 2 packages, which are fairly big. So here's everything that the boxes come with. We're gonna have a soft pillow, 2 of the same pieces, and these look to be like the backrest, a bunch of hardware, the swivel part, the bottom cushion, and the base. And then of course we are going to have some instruction manuals. This is the one for box 1 of 2, and this is for box 2 of 2. So the first thing to do is to attach the base to the backrest. So this can go right here, and then make sure for this side there's going to be a hole right there, and this is so this piece can attach to the other backrest piece, and then we can screw everything in with the long A bolts as well as a washer, and that's going to go right here. So the Velcro piece has to be lifted up. We got 2 spots here and 2 spots here. And then the same thing for this other side. All right, so now it's time to attach these 2 halves together, and it's going to be using this medium-sized C-bolt and another washer. So this is going to be opened right up, and this will be for the inside here, just like that. And now this can be flipped upside down. And it's time to attach the swivel here. So this goes right at the back, and it's going to be moved over so it exposes the screw holes. And we're going to be using the small B screws along with the other smaller washers. All right, now this can be flipped just like so. And then this bottom cushion can go right here, as well as the pillow, and it's done. And this pillow does a real good job of hiding that seam there, and also gives a cushion for the back side. And here's a quick look at it. And this of course is going to spin a full 360 just like so. And let's see how comfortable this is. So I'm 6 foot tall, 181 pounds, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, so it's very easy to glide, very smooth, and pretty comfortable, especially because it has the backrest. Now, as far as the bottom cushion goes, it's not going to be the softest. It's going to be more on the firmer side compared to the pillow. But this is plenty of space just to chill. And I think I can also crisscross applesauce. Yeah, I can also do something like this. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with this swivel chair. Definitely adds a nice elegance to the room. And now I have some extra seating space in the corner too. But yeah, that's a quick look at the Yaheetech Swivel Chair.